Okay, so here's our problem. In Mathland, there's a strange island with two types of people on it, lions and tigers. The lions always lie, and the tigers always tell the truth. One day you meet three of them who each make one statement. A says, two of us are lions, B says A is a lion, and C says A and B are the same type. Can you identify any of these three people by type for sure? So the lions always lie, the tigers always tell the truth, and we have to figure out whether we can conclude anything about any of the three of them. Now, there are several ways to start problems like this, but you usually want to choose one of the three or one of the speakers and focus on that person and ask, well, what if they're a tiger or what if they're a lion? So I'll invite you to resolve this problem starting with A or B, but I'm going to do it by starting with C. What if C is a tiger? So C, a tiger? Is that possible? Let's see. Well, if C is a tiger, then C is telling the truth, so A and B the same. Well, could that be? Could A and B be the same? So what would that same be? Could they both be tigers? A and B both tigers? But A says two of us are lions, and you wouldn't have two lions. In fact, you'd have three tigers, so that's not possible. A can't be a tiger because, well, if A was a tiger, then C would be a tiger, and A and B would both be the same type, so B would be a tiger, so you'd have all three tigers, because then you wouldn't have two lions. Okay, and A said you had two lions, so A couldn't be a tiger. Okay, could A and B both be lions? That doesn't work either, because A says two of us are lions, and so A's words would be true. But then A's words, two lions, are true. So A and B can't both be tigers, and they can't both be lions, which means C can't be a tiger. That's just out. So we can just eliminate that possibility. Okay, so now what? Well, let's free up some space here. That was under the assumption that C was a tiger. Now, it could be that the problem's impossible, or it could be that C is a lion. So we don't want to just say yet that C is a lion, because maybe the problem's just impossible. So let's test this one. C, C, a lion? Okay, well that means A and B different. So A and B different. Well, let's test those possibilities. A, lion, B, tiger. But that doesn't work either, because then you have A and C, lion, B, tiger. Well, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that is that A said two of us are lions, and so we'd have a lion telling the truth. But then A, lion, told the truth. So if C's a lion, then A and B are different, And but different how? Well, A lion, B tiger didn't work. So we better try A tiger, B lion. So let's erase all this. A tiger, B lion. Well, if A is a tiger and B is a lion, then we have, of course, C is a lion, so we'd have A tiger, B lion, C lion. Well, A said two of us are lions, which is true. B and C are lions, so that's okay. B said A is a lion, which is a lie, which is what B is supposed to do if B is a lion, so that's okay. And C said A and B are the same type, but that's a lie because one of them's a tiger and one's a lion, and that's just what C should do if C is a lion, so that's okay. So finally, we have a solution that works. And not only does this solution work, but we've eliminated the other possibilities. So this is the only solution. Caution, you can write problems like this in which there's more than one solution, in which there are no solutions, so you have to be careful and make sure that you eliminate all the possibilities instead of just finding one that works and saying that's the only one.